Good morning, students. Today we will see the anatomy and physiology previous year questions. 50th question. Life-saving hormone is option A adrenal, option B thyroid, option C glucagon, option D insulin. The right answer is option A adrenaline. One of the following is called an emergency hormone. Tick the correct option. Option A thymus, option B pancreas, option C adrenal, option D Cowper. One emergency hormone is adrenal. Option C is the right answer. Next, insulin was discovered by option A Louis Pasteur, option B Batting and Best, option C Jenner, option D Wasserman. The right answer is option B Batting and Best. Next, 53rd question. Hormone insulin is a dash glycolipid, peptide, fatty acid, option D sterol. The right answer is peptide. Hormone insulin is a peptide. Next, 54th. Strongest muscles of man is found in option A jaw, option B wrist, option C thigh, option D foot. The right answer is option A. Jaw is the strongest muscle. Next, 55. A person feels fatigue due to deposition of which of the following acid in their muscles? Option A citric acid, option B lactic acid, option C diagonal acid, option D none of them. The right answer is lactic acid. Option B is the right answer. Next, 56th. Part of eye used during eye donation is option A iris, option B retina, option C cornea, option D cones. The right answer is iris. Option A is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. During eye donation, we will see the which part we will take means option C. Cornea is the eye donation part. Next, 57. Image of object is formed on which part of eye? Option A retina, option B cornea, option C iris, option D cones. The right answer is option A. Retina is image object formed. Next, in the retina of eye cells present for color differentiation. Option A rods, option B cones, option C choroid, option D iris. The color differentiation is cones. Option B is the right answer. Next, 59. Functions of iris is option A to regulate the size of object, option B to make image, option C secretion of tears, option D protection of eyes. The right answer is option A to regulate the size of objects. Next, 60th. Thickest layer of skin is found on option A sole, option B palm, option C thigh, option D eyes. Thickest layer of skin is found in sole. Option A is the right answer. Next, 61. The hardest part of human body is option A bone, option B spinal, option C skull, option D enamel. The right answer is enamel. Option D is the correct answer. Next, 62. Which of the following is a vestigial organ? Option A appendix, option B breast, option C vagina, option D finger. The right answer is option A. Appendix is the vestigial organ. Next, 63. Which of the following organ have the capacity of regeneration? Option A appendix, option B kidney, option C liver, option D cornea. The liver is the regeneration organ. Option C is the right answer. Next, 64. Crown of teeth is mainly made up of option A dentine, option B canine, option C marrow, option D odontoblast. Option A is the right answer. Dentine is the right answer. Next, 65 question. Tears of man have an enzyme which kill the bacteria. Identify the enzyme from the options. Option A, lysozyme. Option B, ochrosome. Option C, protease. Option D, amylase. Option A is the right answer. Lysozyme. Next, the total number of facial bones are option A 10, option B 12, option C 14, option D 16. The right answer is option C. 14 is the right answer. Next, 67. Optic foramen is situated in option A sphenoid bone, option B ethmoid bone, option C occipital bone, option D frontal bone. The right answer is sphenoid bone. Option A is the right answer. Next, 68. The total number of vertebrae in vertebral column are option A 33, option B 35, option C 26, option D 39. Option A is the right answer. Total 33 vertebrae is present in the vertebral column. 69. The other name of collarbone is option A clavicle bone, option B scapula, option C sternum, option D radius. The right answer is option A. Clavicle bone is called collarbone. Next, the joint which is found between radius and ulna. Option A hinge joint, option B pivot joint, option D gliding joint, option D condylate joint. The right answer is option B. Pivot joint is the right answer. సో స్టూడెంట్స్ ఈరోజు మనము అనాటమీ అండ్ ఫిజియాలజీ ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ పేపర్స్ మొత్తం చూసాము. ఎవరైతే కాంపిటీషన్ ఎగ్జామ్స్కి ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నారో వాళ్ళకి ఇది చాలా యూస్ఫుల్గా ఉంటుంది. ప్లీజ్ డూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్, షేర్ అండ్ లైక్ మై ఛానల్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.